Have you ever wondered why powerful countries compete for oil, why sea routes matter so much, or why alliances like NATO exist? The answer lies in one powerful concept: geopolitics. Geopolitics is the study of how geography influences politics, power, and international relations. In simple words, it explains how location, natural resources, borders, oceans, and population shape a country's global strategy. For example, countries with access to major oceans often dominate global trade. Nations rich in oil, rare earth minerals, or advanced technology gain economic and strategic power. Consider energy routes in the Middle East, control of the South China Sea, or Arctic shipping routes becoming important due to climate change. These are not random events. They are geopolitical strategies. Geography effects, trade routes, military positioning, resource control, economic influence. Today, geopolitics is no longer just about land and oceans. It includes cyber power, semiconductor supply chains, AI dominance, space exploration, energy transition. For example, competition over semiconductor manufacturing hubs, rare earth minerals, and strategic sea lanes is shaping global policies right now. So geopolitics is essentially the game of global power, influenced by geography, resources, technology, and strategy. Understanding geopolitics helps us understand world conflicts, alliances, economic shifts, and even the future of global stability. Because in the end, geography doesn't change easily, but power dynamics do. And geopolitics explains why.